What's up, everyone? Welcome to 434 Colored Caterpillar. This is an exercise that's going to have us practice using parameters. So now, a parameter is just kind of like a variable. It's a changing quantity that we can put in to then repeat multiple times to help solve a problem. So we're going to use the parameter color choice to allow us to use any color that we call inside of our circle function down below. So we have 8 bodies, different colors, and we're going to use a for loop to sort in our code. So first thing we want to do over here is we're going to say for I in range 2, because we have 2 loops of blue, green, yellow, and then red over here. So for I in range 2, and then we're going to say over here is circle, and then we're going to change this in a little bit, because right now we have to make a new type of circle, because circle is not going to be a colored circle. So circle is certain amounts. The radius of that probably looks like it will be 20. So circle 20, then move forward the double length of the radius, and then we're going to basically repeat this 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, copy paste. So we have over here circle over here each of the times. Now this circle, we could put radius 20 in here, but we really want to be using that parameter, calling it a particular color. So we're going to need to replace this with a color, which we'll do in a second. Before we do that, we need to define over here some new thing that allows us, instead of just drawing a circle, because as of right now when we draw this, it's just going to draw all of these, regular circles. The pen's not even down yet. So inside of our new command, we're going to have to put the pen down. So let's say define over here, let's call it colored circle, and let's use the parameter that it's given us over here called color choice over here. So let's call the color choice. So first thing we need to do inside the definition is we need to state that the color is going to be according to whatever the color choice is. And that color choice, now that I am calling colored circle, I'm going to change all of my definitions down here. Instead of just a normal circle, a colored circle. And then inside this colored circle over here, we're going to make sure that we start by, once we've changed the color, put the pen down, because last time when we put the pen down, nothing happens. And this isn't going to work, but at the very least, what's not going to work is the color, because right now, even though I'm calling colored circle, we're not saying what color choice we want it to be. So if I run this over here, we're not gonna get anything to happen over here. We still have to define what a circle is. But we can, however, write over here that the first circle is going to be blue, and the second circle is going to be green. Now that we've called color choice as my parameter, green. Then the next one is going to be yellow, and the final one is going to be red. And then inside of here, once we've put the pen down, we're going to begin fill, and then we're going to draw our circle with radius 20. And then after we draw a circle with radius 20, we can end the fill and pick the pen up over here. So this allows us to draw the circle, and this allows us to use the parameter to call the choice, and we'll move forward. So let's run this. And we're currently in the middle, so we're in the wrong spot, but let's see what that looks like so far. So excellent. Tracy is now going to be able to draw these, calling the parameter of these colors. So before we get this so it's all on the screen, let's start by saying over here, let's put this down below, speed pen up, and then after picking the pen up, let's say over here backward, look like maybe backward 140. Let's see what that looks like, so that all of it fits on the screen. All right, so looks like we're pretty good over here. So we've used our cases. Let's check. We used our parameter, color choice. We've met all conditions. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. This is Colorful Caterpillar using parameters. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.